Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a list box in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. It's my fillable PDF form. And now select this form option, this menu bar, and this list box option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor inside your list box. Now press right button and select Properties dialog box. Properties dialog box is general option. Here you can see this list box name, from field visibility, editing required, so on. And appearance option, you can modify list box border, field color, and this text color. First, I'll add this option menu and type your list item and select add. And see this three item now added here. You can up and down any menu if you want. Now select appearance option. Here you can see as text color. See this, and text style also you can change. And this is border thickness, this border color. Also you can add field color if you want. I'll not add white color. Now select colors and select hand option and see this list box now created. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.